The Supreme Court has reiterated that it's not for the court but for the centre and Delhi police to decide on law and order issues, which means that the centre will have to take a call if protesting farmers can be allowed to enter the national capital for Republic Day celebrations. The top court has deferred hearing for the 20th of January on a batch of petitions related to farm laws, as the bench which heard the case earlier will assemble that day, which comprises of CJI Justice Bobde, Justice A.S. Bopanna and Justice V. Ramasubramanian. When CJI Bobde asked Attorney General K.K. Venugopal if the centre needs the court to remind the powers it has under the Police Act, the Attorney General replied that it was an extraordinary situation and the Apex Court was already looking into the case. The CJI replied that the court's intervention has been strongly misunderstood and made it clear that it was for the Delhi police to decide who will enter the city and how many people will be allowed on what conditions. While protesting farmers are planning to enter the national capital on the 26th of January to carry out a tractor parade to mark Republic Day celebrations and participate in a peaceful protest, centre had feared that the law and order situation may deteriorate if thousands of farmers participate. In order to allay concerns of protesting farmers, the top court last week had halted the implementation of the 3 contentious farm laws which were passed in 2020, which were being strongly opposed by farmers across states. The court had ordered formation of a 4-member committee to speak to farmers and submit a report by mid-March. However, President of the Bharatiya Kisan Union, Bhupendra Singh Mann, had already recused from the committee, leaving just 3 members in it. Dr. Pramod Kumar Joshi, Director for South Asia at International Food Policy Research Institute, Agricultural Economist Ashok Gulati, and Anil Dhanwad, the President of Shetkari Sangathan. Even as centre's reply to the court's query on participation of separatist groups in farmer protests is awaited, it remains to be seen if the top court will reconsider the composition of the committee after Mann's recusal. Though various rounds of talks have already taken place between protesting farmer groups and the union government, no headway has been made till now. While protesting farmers want that the centre should repeal the contentious laws, the centre is maintaining that they are ready to discuss the entire issue. The centre is also ready to make amendments. However, the centre till now has opposed any repeal of the laws, stating that they are completely constitutional and in favor of farmers. However, farmers from various states have submitted before the top court that the contentious farm laws will sound a death knell for farming in various states, and earlier they had asked the union government to repeal the laws as early as possible.